Hey guys, so quick video how you can potentially bypass the Eero pause on PC. So it's a bit late, but go into your phone computer's date and time settings and change it to whatever time isn't restricted, or change the MAC address of the phone, but that will show the parents. So you can try to go to time and here you're gonna have set time automatically, and you can just set the date and time manually and try to change it to different time. Maybe it's going to work out. So have a great day and goodbye.